This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeep Chakravarti. Amid rising concerns after AIIMS Delhi Director Dr. Randeep Guleria said that coronavirus in India is likely to peak in June-July, Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hegg asserted that the state stands prepared to face any eventuality. Stating that the state health mechanism is in motion and working overtime, he said Meghalaya is also ready to handle the situation post-lockdown. Informing that he had a video conference with the Union Health Minister, Mr. Hegg said Mr. Harshvardhan appreciated the effort put in by Meghalaya to contain the spread of coronavirus and assured of all help and support from the centre. Mr. Hegg also pointed out that in this fight against the pandemic in Meghalaya, the traditional bodies are playing a major role. Meghalaya has 2 active COVID-19 cases, with both the patients from East Khasi Hills district. 16 more persons from 86th Battalion BSF of Tripura frontier at Ambassa in Dhalai District tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. Out of the 16 infected persons, 9 are children, 6 females and 1 official. With these, the total number of active cases has reached to 148. A Shramik Special train carrying around 1,140 stranded Manipuris in Tamil Nadu left Chennai Central Railway Station last evening for onward journey to Jiribam Railway Station of Manipur. The train is likely to reach Manipur after 3 days. The evacuation of stranded Manipuris in Tamil Nadu has been arranged by Manipur State Government in collaboration with Tamil Nadu State Government. Train fare was not charged from the passengers. Buses have already reached Jiribam, which will collect the passengers after medical checkup for journey to Imphal. They will be put into 14 days of quarantine at different centres. Union Minister of State for Food Processing Industries, Rameshwar Teli, said that food processing industries in the country have resumed work. Talking to All India Radio Guwahati, Mr. Teli said that there was a demand for necessary food items and the resumption of industries would help the citizens. The minister who spoke to all industry ministers of the Northeast informed that food processing industries have also started to work in the region. Mr. Teli said his ministry has planned to set up at least 1 mega food park in each of the northeastern states except Sikkim. One such mega food park would create around 5,000 employment opportunities, he said. Sikkim Chief Secretary S.C. Gupta yesterday called for maintaining utmost vigilance and ensuring compliance of all guidelines to keep COVID-19 at bay in the state. The border state of Sikkim, with a population of more than 6 lakhs, is one of the few COVID-19 free states of the country. The Chief Secretary reviewed the evacuation process and expressed satisfaction over screening and quarantine of returnees over the last few days. He said that after the authorities relaxed some lockdown regulations, Sikkim has fared much better than other states in terms of resumption of economic activities. The outbreak of African swine fever has claimed more than 13,000 pigs in the last few days in parts of Assam, affecting the livelihood of hundreds of people involved in animal husbandry. The infection has spread rapidly as deaths have been reported from 9 districts, a PTI report quoted an official as saying. Assam Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister Atul Bora had visited the Kaziranga National Park and reviewed the steps taken to protect wild boars from the disease. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal had directed officials of the veterinary and forest departments to work in coordination with the National Pig Research Centre to save the animal from the disease. Mizoram has registered a 10-point drop in infant mortality rate in 2019-2020 fiscal, making it to the 2nd spot in the country after Nagaland. State Health Minister R. Lal Thangliana said the IMR has dropped from 15 to 5 per 1,000 live births, citing the latest sample registration system Bulletin. Over the past 3 years, Mizoram achieved a 27-point drop in IMR. The minister attributed the achievement to efforts of healthcare workers and support of the people. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan has congratulated Mizoram on the achievement. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.